Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.